What's up, everybody? The coronavirus has got us quarantined, but that means one more overnight from Japan. For those of you that are new, I'm brokeandfamous, and this is Vintage Kicks Gallery.
日本からの翌日配達
All right, let's get started. We're going to unbox, let's see, we have 3 here from Japan, and I know what's in these. I spent a lot of money this month, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Start from the top. Not very safe shipping, but it is what it is. They made it here. Nice. All right, check it out. A this time authentic pair of the black and white Air Jordan 1985. These are going to be for a restoration project, and I am excited because this is my first pair of 85s in this colorway. These are getting more and more hard to find. I've been looking for a while. The prices just keep going up. Obviously, these are beat. They need a lot of work, but they were affordable, and now they're mine. So we'll have these on a restoration video. I think they're gonna come back to life pretty damn good. The plan is to completely redo the white. The black is good. We'll probably just use luster cream on that. We'll steam the shape back in, and the soles are nice and flexible. These are actually going to be nice. I know they look beat right now, but they're going to be nice. And move on to the next box. Another lucky 23. Starting to think that's just my number with the proxy. Can already see some beaters up top. What do you think so far? I see a pair of 1985 Chicago ones, and these are super beat, but they were cheap. So these will be for a restoration project as well. As you can see, they are super beat, but I think these are actually going to come back to life pretty good. They were cheap. They are a little bit of a big size, but we'll probably resell them on the channel here. And my plan is to do a pretty extensive restoration on these. I'm going to show you how to redo the collars here, which I don't think anybody's doing right now. So we're going to completely redo the vinyl. We'll get the shape back in. Looks like we'll probably have to use some paint on the white, but we're gonna do paintless on the red. I'll show you how to use luster cream by Angelus. So these are nice because the padding's still soft. There's no crunch whatsoever. The soles I'm hoping will come back without a sole swap. I think these were about 270 bucks, maybe 260. So you'll be the judge once they're finished. All right, moving right along, and we have a small one. What could be in here? It says, well, I don't speak Japanese, so who knows? Would you believe it? Another pair of Chicago's, but this time they are the baby ones. Got some bonus content here. All right, as some of you from Reddit probably know, I collect baby shoes. I know it's a little bit weird, but especially 1985s, I think these are so cool. These are in pretty damn good condition too. So what we're gonna do with these is probably just put a little luster cream on the red, clean them up and call it a day. But these are pretty nice. They have, I believe, to be the factory black laces. Look at the soles. Pretty clean. So I'm still looking for a pair of these with the locker box. If anybody knows a pair that's affordable, please reach out to me. But until then, I'll keep searching my usual spots.
Hey!
All right, last one. And as usual, the best was saved for last. I know what's in here. This is a very, very nice pair. Just a little warning, they were expensive, but hopefully you guys will like them. They're not to wear, they are for the collection. Anybody else getting excited yet? All right. Try to be careful with this. Not packed very well. So, what do you see here? Natural gray, that's right. Let's go ahead and open them. Holy shit. Well, these are nice. These are super, super nice. Check it out. We've got the hang tag right on top. That's always a nice sight to see. You know, these things are going for like 600 bucks now. Speaking of expensive too, boxes. The past couple that I've seen have gone for over 500 bucks. You guys are out of your minds paying that for a box, but you know, it is what it is. Let's pull one of these out. Woohoo! Try to be careful with the box. How nice are these? Whew, all I can say is wow. These are absolutely incredible condition. I don't think, let's see here. I mean, maybe worn once. They were definitely tried on. Full insole riding in here. These are, whew, there is not even any yellowing on the laces. These are super, super nice. This is one of the best conditioned pairs of natural gray, or some of you guys say neutral, but it is natural, that I have ever seen. They are just, wow, seriously. They're far too nice to wear. Padding is nice. And collars are 100%. Wow. These are nice, nice, nice. STP factory as well. So this will be my third pair of natural grays, but the only pair obviously that's in this good a condition. If anybody needs a size 10.5, reach out to me. I'm gonna be selling soon. I think I have a size 9.5 as well, but I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with those yet. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. That was a nice and quick one, but as you can see, I spent a little money this past month, so we might not have one of these for a few weeks. But what else are you gonna do when you're quarantined for Corona? Here's my plan for these. Like I said, restoration. Definitely gonna keep these long term. Curious what you guys think these are worth. I'm hesitant to say what I paid because they were grossly expensive. But I really think I did get a good deal on them. Everything on here I got a pretty good deal, but it does add up. So a lot of you have reached out to me privately to ask how I'm buying these from Japan. wait for an upcoming episode on that. I don't want to lead anybody down the wrong direction without full information first. There's a lot of risks that go along with shopping at these Japanese sites. So I want to make sure everybody knows what they're getting themselves into before we go ahead and give all the information. All right, guys, thanks a lot. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. We'll have all these restorations coming up. We just dropped the buyer's guide as well. If you haven't seen that, please watch it. Other than that, holler at me, let me know what you want to see. We're still thinking about doing a collection video, just trying to figure out how to do it because not everything is in one location, but I have heard the requests. I'll figure that out. So thanks a lot, guys. Once again, Overnight from Japan, episode 3.